Hi, Yashasvi here from Divine Success Flow, coming up with one more AI productivity for coaches. How AI can make your coaching structure enhance and get you more revenue. Okay, so today I'm going to teach how, like, you can replace an appointment setter or a confirmation of for your webinars, right? Weekly, like, we get 200 to 300 registrations for the webinar, and it takes around 3 to 4 hours for an appointment setter to call these people, confirm, and do those calls repeatedly, right? So here is a flow, AI flow, that we have built recently, that is helping us save much amount of time and as well as getting more confirmations, right? So let me show you. You can see my screen that, like, we have a lot of participants data that they have registered, that, their job title and what results they want to achieve. All these registrations are there. So what I did is I went to ChatGPT and gave it that this prompt, that act as a webinar confirmation telecalling expert, give a personalized message in below format, so that, and give me a downloadable tabular format reminding for productivity masterclass today by Govardhan. Hi, my name is Yashasvi from Divine Success Flow, and this all format, and like what needs to be replaced from the Excel into these. And what it did is it gave a downloadable template that was in this format, right? This format where the message was ready. Like, it was a customized message, applicable to like the CEO or a managing director, based upon the growth in business or like what results that they want, right? So, and what I did is, like, took this message and went to a tool called 11 Labs. I have cloned my voice in this one, so that it speaks in same voice as me, almost same, and gave the script, and it is able to generate a. Let me also share the sound so that you can hear. So,
founder, director, CEO, and looking to achieve. Yes, this masterclass is designed to address that. Also, there will be a one-to-one after webinar where you can get clarity path.
so once this is ready for each one of the 300 registrations, it did this, and able to download it and upload it to the Google Drive, and also it's able to connect to the WhatsApp with the participants and able to send this and get the confirmations for all of the participants. So if this excited, do reach out to me. I'll be happy to help many more coaches and to automate AI in your coaching, so that you can no more be left behind by end of 2025, because you know that, right? If you don't implement AI now, the coaches who don't implement get eliminated from the industry and are not able to, you know that, right? Like, adaptability is the biggest skill that is required at this moment, where earlier the knowledge was there, knowledge ran, but then the skills came in. Now the market need, that means how fast you can deliver the solutions. So AI is here to help us, let us get best out of it, and make the best out of the coaching. Feel free to reach out to me, and see you in the next video.